Good day everyone, my name is Ching Weiden. This is my final year project proposal presentation. The title of my project is Stimulation Study of Gallium Nitride based inverter for electrical vehicle application by using MATLAB. Let's go into the introduction of my project. When we talk about go green or eco-friendly, the first thing that comes into our mind is the slogan of 3R, which is reduce, reuse, and recycle. Nowadays, all the inventions are not run away from this. And the best invention that has the best realization of this eco-friendly is the electrical vehicle. This is due to the production of greenhouse effect gases of electrical vehicle is near to zero. And at the same time, it is using the renewable energy, which is electricity. Inside a EV, there is a lot of power device that used to drive the vehicle, such as the battery, inverter, motor, and other device. And the inverter play an important role as the conversion of energy from the battery to drive the motor. But with the performance of normal semiconductor such as silicon, it is unable to satisfy humans' needs. Because of this, researcher has looked forward to the wide bandgap semiconductor. Since wide bandgap semiconductor such as gallium nitride has a special characteristics like higher electron mobility, higher switching frequency, and support high operating voltage. Next is the problem statement of the project. The speed of new invention technology is very fast nowadays, and the trend of using renewable energy will become the first consideration of new invention. When we're talking about energy conversion, the power loss will never absent. And next, due to the performance bottleneck of the current semiconductor, humans never stop their feet to searching a new semiconductor with the higher performance than the current semiconductor to use in their new invention. And it's create a new problem, which is the overall cost of the device will be higher. But using this gallium nitride inverter, the overall cost of the device will be lower. At the same time, the performance will be higher than the normal semiconductor. Next is the objective of the project. There are three objectives to be achieved in this project. The first objective is to discover the capability of new wide bandgap semiconductor-based inverter for electrical vehicle application. The second objective is to analyze the performance of gallium nitride-based inverter for electrical vehicle application. Last objective is to compare the performance of gallium nitride-based inverter and silicon-based inverter. For the scope of work, the output of waveform will be directly simulated by using the MATLAB simulating software. The performance such as power loss will be calculated by using the formula through the data obtained from MATLAB simulating. Lastly, the target of this project is to compare the performance between gallium nitride-based and semiconductor-based inverter, and the parameter used to compare the performance is the conduction loss, switching loss, inverter loss, and also the switching frequency. For the methodology, there will be three stages in this project. For the stage 1 is the exploration, which is explore everything about electric vehicle, inverter, and gallium nitride semiconductor. The next stage is to build and simulate to test the circuit by using the gallium nitride MOSFET and also the silicon MOSFET, and build and test the inverter circuit in MATLAB simulating. The last stage is the performance comparison, which is compare the performance of inverter by using gallium nitride MOSFET and the silicon MOSFET. Okay. Next, for the expected result, all the project will be done by using the MATLAB simulating and obtain the waveform from the MATLAB simulating, and lastly, compare the performance between gallium nitride-based inverter and also the silicon-based inverter. The expected result at the end of the project is the performance of gallium nitride based inverter have a higher performance compared to the silicon based inverter. That's all for me. Thank you.